Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Akira. So because of the fantastic photos that we took in Bali with our Sony HX90, the New Zealand Fujifilm supplier has given us the amazing Fujifilm Mirrorless camera. So shout out to Reagan and Marcus for this amazing camera. So now join me for an unboxing. So this is the camera that I've got, and I am so excited to open this and to share it to you guys. So today is just only for unboxing. I will do separate video, a separate vlog for the review. So guys, let's open it. So guys, I have here the 3-year extended warranty, which is good, and some manuals, guidelines. So ito na guys, ito na. Oh my god. Oh god, guys, look, so pretty. So this is the camera, guys. Mirrorless. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this one. And they also gave me a vlogging kit. Put this one, a vlogging kit, microphone, guys. So they also give me this one, and a tripod for this. Awesome! So we'll open this one, guys. So this is the camera, guys, and this is also a flip screen. Wow, this one, oh my god, it's so good. And the lens of this camera is this one. I'm just gonna get this. So this is the lens. Oh my god, it needs to be handled with care. So this is the lens, guys. Ito yung ilalagay natin dito. It's amazing. So what else here? I don't know kung ano to. Charger. Yan. Meron siya nito. Sling. Battery. So I'm just gonna put this back, guys, para hindi masira kasi napaka-sensitive ng lens. So now we'll open the microphone. So guys, I'm so happy and I'm so thankful that I have this kind of vlogging stuff, this kind of camera. I'm so thankful to the supplier that they noticed my photos. Thank you. So guys, ito na. So this is the microphone, guys. I don't know how to attach this one yet, but as I've said, I will do a separate video for the review, for the footage of this. So me and Matthew will do the review. For now, it's just unboxing. And this is the tripod. We'll open this one. Wow. So So guys, this is it. We finished the unboxing. So abangan niyo po yung next video ko for the review about this camera. So I'll see you next time. Bye!